and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and we recently just celebrated our 100th episode of Saucy Cat. Now we're going to keep this party going because today marks the 1-year anniversary of our channel. I couldn't think of a better way to celebrate than with a delicious vegan birthday cake. So let's dive in. Grab a large bowl and add in flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Now that all the boring ingredients are out of the way, add in sugar and cocoa powder. Give it a rough mix so things are distributed a bit. Get out another bowl and add in vegetable oil, almond milk, and a bit of vanilla extract. Usually at this point of making the cake you would add eggs, but in keeping this vegan we're going to add in some applesauce. This will act as a binding agent and also keep our cake moist and delicious. Mix that all thoroughly and add it into the other bowl. Keep on mixing because we want to make sure all of the dry ingredients get properly mixed into the cake batter. Now get out 2 7-inch cake pans. Spray them down with some nonstick spray and add in our cake batter. Pop that into a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. Give it the old toothpick check, and when it comes out nice and clean, these are done. Remove the cakes from the pan and allow them to rest on a cooling rack. While those cool down, let's make our frosting. Get out a bowl and add in a bunch of powdered sugar, some cocoa powder, and a sprinkle of salt. Now add in some butter-flavored Crisco. Even though it's butter-flavored, it is 100% plant-based and will make our frosting thick and creamy. Mix that together while slowly adding almond milk a little bit at a time. You don't want the frosting to be too liquid or else it won't stick to our cake. Our icing is nice, fluffy, and workable, so at this point it is perfect. Now comes the fun part, the assembly. Spread some of our chocolate frosting on the bottom layer before adding the top layer to it, so we have a nice frosting cake sandwich. Now put about 2/3 of the frosting on top of the cake and spread the frosting evenly across the top and side before smoothing it out all pretty-like. This is looking great so far, but we have one last trick to make this really pop. Take the last bit of our frosting and add it to a Ziploc bag. Cut a small hole in one of the corners and slowly pipe the frosting around to give us a nice decorative edge. Last but not least, let's put on a couple of candles and celebrate 1 year of Saucy Cat and plate this dish. Happy birthday, dear Saucy Cat. Happy birthday to you. All right. Now I know it's hideous, but it is delicious. Our cake is so nice and rich, and our icing is nice and fluffy. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite cakes in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more. We'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Nami, get away from my vegetable oil. Stop it. Okay. Go away.